How to get rid of blackheads with Vaseline. Blackheads can be a nuisance to all those who want a beautiful, perfect and healthy skin. Sometimes these nasty little imperfections are present in areas such as the nose or on the chin. Eliminating them completely is a challenge, but it can be done effectively. Do you want to be free from these problematic pests? Steps to follow. 1. Blackheads may appear when the grease and dirt accumulate in our pores. This blocks the pores and produces the characteristic dark color as fat and keratin begin to oxidize. Failure to remove them means they will turn ever darker, becoming more visible and increasing the risk of leading to the appearance of pimples and bothersome acne. There are many ways to get rid of blackheads, and Vaseline is a great ally in this task. 2. A very simple way to get rid of blackheads with Vaseline is to apply a layer of product on the affected area right before bedtime. Leave it on as you sleep. This product will help soften blackheads and facilitate their subsequent removal. The next morning you just have to take a tissue and gently press with your fingertips on the area where you applied Vaseline. You will see how the little bullets of dirt come out easily. Some of them are now removed from your skin. 3. If you do not want to wait all night and want a more immediate solution, then you can apply a treatment with Vaseline to help you remove blackheads in just 5 minutes. For this you'll need Vaseline, a transparent paper towel or plastic wrap, a small towel, preferably a face cloth, a tissue. Start by applying a generous layer of Vaseline on the treatment area, then place a piece of paper or transparent film on top that completely covers the area. Dip a small towel in hot water, take it out, and then squeeze it, making sure it does not burn, but that it is still at high temperature. Place it on the area where you want to remove blackheads. Let it sit for 5 minutes so that the pores are open up, then remove everything and press lightly with the tissue using your fingertips. The dirt from the pores will quickly pop out, leaving your skin clean and beautiful. Though this is not exactly a pore strip, you should know they are also highly effective. Take a look at these homemade pore strip recipes to help you get rid of blackheads. 4. It is important to note that the appearance of blackheads is due to an excessive accumulation of grease and dirt in the pores, so it is essential to maintain a good cleaning routine each day to avoid their presence. If you do not know where to start, take a look at other methods of removing blackheads in our article on how to remove blackheads from the nose. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.